My name is Daniel Sisi and I'm a music teacher. Well, I've played a number of instruments in an orchestra, a number of them actually. Getting to an interesting part of it all, to do the conducting, everything like that, that's when I got into it. Actually started conducting at the age of 5. Coming along with it, and as I grew up on, I did little bit of some training. Well, this will be the first time I'll be conducting an opera, but I'm a conductor. I've conducted a number of orchestras here and there, outside the country, but mostly classic and everything like that. But this is my first time conducting an opera, and in Zambia. Well, I'll be playing the role of the conductor. I'm the conductor, and as they say, I'm the man behind the baton, and controlling everything, putting everything together with a spaghetti in their hands. Preparation is going on well, and it's shaping up, and it's a big thing to me. It will be good to see the other musicians come up and see the different way of art and how we can all put it up together and how it is done, and the combination of Western instrument, new Zambian African culture put together. So much expectation, you know, it's really done here, you know, Zambian setup. So all the feelings put together, and so eager to have it done. Well, there are a number of challenges that have come up. Some of them are just starting. It's the first time they're doing this, so trying to harmonize between the experienced guys and those doing this for the first time is a little bit challenging, but I think everything with a challenge is successful.